Since the beginning of this channel, people have been asking me, have I tried a Bishop Packer? Have I tried a Bishop wand? No, but I finally have bought one. This is the Bishop Packer wand. Everybody's raving about it, and I'm super excited to open it up and show it to you today. We'll do an initial unboxing. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. All right, the Bishop Packer wand. Super excited to open this. Bishop is such a well-known company, and I've never had any of their machines. So without further ado, let's open it up and take a look. All right. Nice. Comes with a cool case. Nice box. Nice little sticker. Cool. Cool bag here. Nice touch with the zipper. All right. Well, I see why people like Bishop so far. Very cool packaging, very cool everything so far. Good quality. Good quality box bag. And nice cord here too. It's a really good cord. Even got the B on the cord there. Nice touch. Grease. Nice. And a nice little compartment here for the Bishop. Yeah, I like it. It's a nice piece of brass at the top. I work corded a lot of the time. I like to get the best sort of quality out of the machine to really test it. So we did get the RCA version. So there's the RCA connection there, and it would just connect in like that. It's like a good fit. And it's a straight cord, which is nice. Of course, we're going to cover our grip, but it already feels really cool. I like the weight of this thing. They tote that Bishop has one of the lightest wands, so that is exciting to try. Yeah, I kind of want to wrap something on this just to get a feel for it. Okay, there's the inside of the Bishop. You can see that brass continues down over the motor. And there's the grip. The grip is pretty cool too. It's got these little indentations. Let's see if a Neo grip might fit on the Bishop. This is a Neo grip. If you would like to find one for yourself, we do have a link in the description below. Do not forget to check that out. Lots of helpful things here on the Floaty channel. Nice, that went on pretty well. The Neo grip is fully autoclavable, and it fits on the Bishop Packer wand. Cool. All right, let's plug it in. I gotta hear it today. All right, I got the Bishop plugged into my Musotoku. Let's try it out with some of these cartridges I received from Easy Tattoo Supply. These are the finger ledge cartridges. If you'd like to get some, follow the link in the description. And don't forget to use our code. Needle depth is smooth on the Bishop, it looks like. So first impression on the sound is very quiet. The quietest I think I've heard so far. I feel like the vibrations under control too, which I like. I'm at 6 volts here. Just gonna try lining with this 5 liner. It's very lightweight. You have to, it will take a little adjustment just to hold it steady, I think. But I like that it's not putting that extra stress on my arm. All right, looks great. Could probably go even faster. I'm at a 6.3 now, not too much higher. Yeah, this thing is really lightweight. It's very cool. The needle feels really nice and steady. I like this finger ledge here. Interesting to see how it works on skin. It's not like blasting through it or anything, like, and you know, it feels like a lighter weight machine, but it feels steady, which I like. It's like steady. Like the vibration's less with this one for sure. It's lightweight, but it's not too lightweight. The grip definitely helps. Dot pattern's really even. Let's put on this mag. Super quiet. Love that. Low vibration, very low vibration. That's like the one thing I'm noticing the most. I think I just found my calligraphy machine. Huh. Yeah. Again, the line patterns and the dot patterns on the Bishop are noticeably cleaner. Pattern is consistent. I gotta bring it closer so you can see. Pattern's consistent. The dot patterning is amazing. The line pattern of the mag, super steady. So first impression, I love it. I can't wait to try it on a human.
24 hours later. Thank you. Bye.